Good morning, students. Welcome once again in online classes. This is class 9, home science class, and we are discussing chapter number 7 about air. The next topic we are going to learn is we are going to read is elimination of impurities of air. So, as a matter of fact, nature is very generous to mankind on this earth planet. It does not let the air become polluted, but it is polluted. When natural reactions fail, man has to make use artificial ways to make air pure and fresh. तो कुछ यहाँ पे हैं वेज हैं कैसे हम प्योर कर सकते हैं डिफ्यूज़न ऑफ गैसेस. Pure air is comparatively heavier than the impure air. Impure air rises up and pure air comes down to fill that place. That is why the windows and doors in a house are placed at a level with the room, while the ventilators are always kept at the little higher level. The impure air gets out of ventilators and pure air comes through doors and windows to fill the vacant place. Second is tree and plants. All plants take carbon dioxide exhaled by man for their life processes and releases oxygen in its exchange. It is because of this fact that air is the open fields remains pure air fresh. Third is rainwater. The falling raindrops absorb the impurities in the atmosphere and drops them downwards, and thus the air in the atmosphere after rainfall become fresh. Sunlight. The rays of sun contains ultraviolet rays which have property to killing germ of the diseases present in the air. These germs cannot destroyed by boiling water. तो उनको ये किल करती हैं और एयर को प्योर करती हैं. अब इसके बाद besides the above way employed by nature itself to make air pure, there are man-made implements and processes to purify the air. Chimneys are built in the house to send out smoke from the kitchens ताकि घरों में ना रहे इस तरह की कोई भी harmful gases. Factories, railway stations, mills are located away from residential quarters and dwelling colonies. Plants and trees are grown on both sides of roads. Municipalities do not allow people to keep animals inside their houses. Roads are made pakka to avoid dust particles in the open air. Kitchen, bathrooms, and latrines are kept clean. The rough excreta of diseased person are infected. Roads and streets are kept clean. तो इस तरीके से साफ़ सफाई रखिए हर चीज़ का ध्यान. तो एलिमिनेशंस तो जो इम्प्योरिटीज़ है एयर की वो धीरे धीरे दूर हो जाएंगी. एक टर्म यहाँ पे आता है वेंटिलेशन. व्हाट इज़ वेंटिलेशन? Ventilation has been defined as the science of maintaining healthful atmospheric condition and applies primarily to air in the enclosed spaces. Air in the enclosed spaces like rooms, schools, factories and cinema houses become impure and harmful for health. The air inside an enclosed space is generally moist, hot and full of impurities and remains still. The circulation of fresh air is called ventilation. तो टाइप्स हैं कुछ वेंटिलेशंस के. तो सबसे पहला है कन्वेक्शन. व्हेन एयर इज़ हीटेड इट एक्सपेंड इन एंड हेंस बिकम लेस डेंस. हॉट एयर देयरफॉर राइजेज अपवर्ड. denser air then moves downward to replace it. As this denser air is coming from the open space, it is fresher and cooler, so makes the atmosphere inside enclosed room pleasant. If in a room there are cross windows or cross doors facing one another, the convention is facilitated. Second is wind action. Wind acts as a ventilating agent in two ways. It either blows directly through a room whose doors and windows are open, or it sucks up air producing an updraft. The action of wind when wind blows directly through the doors and windows is called perflection. The second action of wind is that of an aspirator, which is a suction apparatus for removing air from a body cavity. For example, the wind blowing over the top of chimney lessen the pressure of air inside the chimney and produces up draught. Fresh air is then drawn inside the chimney to take the place of the air that has been sucked up by chimney. Third is diffusion of gases. Gases have a characteristic properties of diffusion upwards or downward direction. A heavy gas diffuses upwards as well as downwards and it mixes with the lighter gases. A lighter gas diffuses upward and downward mix with the heavy gas. Means of natural ventilation. We cannot rely on the process of ventilation taking place under diffusion of gases because of the paint plaster inside and outside the room. Vents cannot be relied upon for effective natural ventilation because they are erratic by nature and because they are natural obstruct in their ways or because there are too many houses in the neighborhood. So we can safely depend upon the method of convection. The ideal conditions for rooms in which people live are कैसे आपका रूम होना चाहिए. They should be cool rather than hot. The air inside the room should be dry rather than moist. The air should be gently moving rather than still. The fresh air inside the room should be about 8 cubic meter per adult per hour. The inlets for ventilation must be so placed and designed that the speed of fresh air should be maintained under varying conditions. Outlets should be provided close to ceiling where warm air collects. Inlets should be placed at the level of floor at the some little distance above the floor. Windows are kept at some distance above the floor so that they may admit fresh air and light into the room. Ways of artificial ventilation. In large buildings, theaters, cinema houses, factories, adequate ventilation by natural means is not possible. तो वहाँ पे आर्टिफिशियल वेंटिलेशंस कराई जा सकती हैं. कौन कौन से इसके तरीके हैं, जैसे एग्जॉस्ट सिस्टम, प्लेनम सिस्टम, मिक्स्ड मेथड और एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम. तो एग्जॉस्ट मीन्स इन एवरी किचन यू सी एग्जॉस्ट फैन. अब तो चिमनी लग गई है बट पहले एग्जॉस्ट फैन हुआ करते थे, अभी भी लगे होते हैं कई जगहों पे. ये क्या करते हैं, इन द एग्जॉस्ट सिस्टम foul air is removed by means of exhaust fan in opening high up in the outside walls. The exhaust fans remove all the impurities of the air, but the fresh air to replace the foul air has to find its own way. लेकिन ये अंदर से आपकी इम्प्योरिटीज़ को तो बाहर निकाल सकते हैं, बट ये बाहर से प्योर एयर को अंदर लाने में हेल्प नहीं कर पाते. उसके लिए एयर को खुद ही कोई विंडोज़ या उससे अंदर आना पड़ता है. Second is plenum system. In this system, fresh air is pumped into the room or building, leaving the full air to escape the best as it can. Mixed method. It is a mixture of both the above methods. It's called mixed. इसमें क्या है कि आपको एग्जॉस्ट भी लगाया जाता है और टाइम टू टाइम यहाँ पे प्लेनम सिस्टम भी फॉलो किया जाता है. थर्ड इज़ एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम. द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेंटेनिंग अ क्लोज रूम इन अ कंफर्टेबल स्टेट टेम्परेचर प्योरिटी एंड वेंटिलेशन of air is called air conditioning. The air conditioning is an auditorium can be best illustrated with the help of flow diagram. This is a diagram. Now efficiency of ventilations. Efficiency of ventilation is depend on the area and design of the building and the ways of natural and artificial ventilation used in it. Beside this, the number of person using a building कि कितने लोग हैं, कैसे रह रहे हैं, किस नंबर पे बिल्डिंग है, डिज़ाइन कैसा है, इन सब पे वो डिपेंड करता है. There are instruments also which can check the effectiveness of ventilation. For example, the Kata thermometer. It can estimate the quality of fresh air available in the enclosed place or building. Bad ventilation and health hazards. It has been discussed at a great length that ventilation and health are exclusively independent on each other. The deterioration in the quality of ventilation in turn affect the health of the people. It is clear from the instances in a closed railway compartment, a cinema hall, and cover crowded room or other places where air is not available, which is turn often results in headache, giddiness and nausea. Suffocation वगैरह भी कुछ देखने को मिलती है. When you are continuously breathing in impure air, you will be susceptible to infection. Sometimes people cover up their heads when they sleep for near mosquitoes. For fear of mosquitoes, they shut all windows for fear of thieves and thus breathe bad air for about 8 hours out of every 20 hours. 24. Therefore, never cover your face while sleeping. Always use nets or mosquito mats to keep out mosquitoes and iron bars to keep out thieves. तो ये था आपका चैप्टर नंबर 7 अबाउट एयर. In next video I will complete its exercises. Okay students, take care. Goodbye.